Welcome to Home Academy. Here is a subtraction table. Two answers have already been filled. Like here is 4, this one is minus. So 4 minus and minus 4. Minus 4, the answer is 8 because minus and minus plus, so 4 plus 4 is a 8. This is a one answer already given. Another one is here is minus 4, this one is minus, and then these two. So our answer is minus 4 and minus 2 is a 6, minus 6. Now we try to fill up this one. How? So we can clean everything. Now look, 4, right, minus minus 2. So 4 minus minus 2, it means minus and minus plus, so 4 plus 2 is a 6. So the right answer here is 6. Okay, next 4 then minus 0. So what will be the answer? 4. So here is 4. Next 4 then minus these 2. So answer is 4 minus 2 is a 2, and 4 minus 4 is a 0. Okay, now next, so number 4, first row done. Next one, 2. Okay, 2 minus minus 4, it means 2 minus minus 4. So minus and minus plus, 2 plus 4 is a 6. So here is 2 minus and minus 4, here is 6. Then 2 minus 2, so 2 then minus 2. So minus and minus plus, so 2 plus 2 is a 4. So here is 4. Then again 2 minus 0, so here is 2. Then 2 minus 2, so 2 minus 2 is a 0. Again 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4 is a what? Minus 2. So here is minus 2. So second row also done. So we are trying to solve first column. This is a first number, and here is several number which is second number. Now look, 0 minus minus 4. So what will be the answer? 0 then minus 4. So this is only 4, right? So we will write here 4, then 0 minus minus 2. So minus and minus plus, here is 2. 0 minus 0 is a 0. 0 minus 2 is a minus 2. 0 minus 4 is a minus 4. Okay, so careful about this one. Here is minus 2, then minus, we can write here minus 2, then minus 4. So minus 2 minus and minus plus 4, so answer will be plus 2. So here is plus 2. Similar, minus 2 minus and minus 2, so minus and minus plus, so minus 2 plus 2, it will be what? 0. Then minus 2 minus 0, so here is minus 2. Okay, minus 2 minus, here is plus 2, it means minus 2. So look, we can write this one. This one is minus 2, here is minus, and here is 2. So this one is minus 4, minus 4. Same, minus 2, then minus, then plus, so it will be what? Minus 2 and minus 4 is the minus 6. Here is minus 6. Okay, so our 1 2 3 4 row has done. Now here is minus 4, then minus, we can write here minus 4, then minus, and then minus 4, So we can write minus 4, minus and minus plus 4, and then what? Minus 4 plus 4 is a 0. So here is 0. Next, minus 4, then minus 2. So minus and minus is a plus 2. So minus 4 and plus 2, it will be minus 2. Okay, minus 4 minus 0 is a minus 4. And this one we already done. We can solve again. Here is minus 4, then minus 2. Minus 4 and minus 2 is a minus 6. And finally, minus 4, then minus, then this 4. So minus 4 is a minus 8. And this is our minus 8. So thank you very much being with me. We are trying to very interesting table, which is first number minus second number. Okay, so these kinds of question, if you face in the examination hall, you will solve this one, because you already know about minus and minus is a plus, minus and plus is a minus, minus and plus and minus is a minus. So if you know these kinds of theme, so you can solve these kinds of table. So thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.